Okay, a couple of my favorite things. Sig Sauers, 308 9mm, and gonna be trying them on this. Today's video brought to you by Sig Sauer. For a guy with a Glock tattoo, I sure do own a lot of these. Never even realized it, that all the things I brought out today were Sig. Okay, the first thing I want to try is, we did this the other day. This is a Hornady critical defense into one of these cans of peas, chickpeas. I'm going to try it out right here and see if it explodes pretty well. So, that looked pretty good. Let's go check it out. Leave it wide open. Alright, let's try something a little bigger. 308 Hornady AMAX, and these are match Lake City brass. But let's see what we got here. Yep. Stuff is still falling. Let's go look at that. This looks like the can that was underneath the top can because the pressure shoved it down. Here is what's left of the can I did hit. Okay, now we're going to try some SSG3000, and these are the Winchester steel cased. About 20 yards away, those cans. Let's see what we got. One round in it, and let's see, and these are full metal jackets, so they ain't like terribly, you know, explosive, but they get the job done. Ooh, yeah, nobody likes chickpeas or eggplants if you're from Kentucky. Okay, I'm going to step out here, do a little rapid fire. Full metal jacket Winchesters. This is a Geisley Super Semi-Auto enhanced trigger. It's got a real good reset, real fast doubles. Let's do some bump fire. Yep. I wouldn't leave you with that. This is the finale. Very large can of pinto beans with a 308. How's that sound? Beans went everywhere. There's where it was sitting. There's the label. There's the top. There's part of it. It was sitting over there. There's the top. I got the label. Here's the rest of the can. Sprawled out. I guess that's the exit. That would be the entrance. Okay. Well, that was a good one. Oh crap. Look at the carnage, which is bean on this rock cliff. Alright, found one of these in the truck that I didn't know was in there. I'm going to try to throw it in this camera's area here and take a shot at it in the air with the 365. Right now I've got a hollow point in it, so let's see. Went in right there, came out right there. It didn't even explode the can. It's weird to me, like I would think that it would, considering that it's 115 grain Federal high shock. Somebody locked me back in, but what we got here is a American lock, and I'll show you how to pick it real quick. But I do have my Sparrows lock picks. Now if you have a bypass tool, you can just stick it right in there and it will open it right up. This method takes a little bit longer. And it takes a little bit more practice. But it does the same job.